Yo, what is going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be coming at you with 1,000 opening of mole skins and mole claws, 1,000 combined, a total of 1,000 birds nests. This is going to be an absolute juicy lootation, this video. Going to be one of my most favorite money makers that I do kind of on a daily basis, honestly. I love doing this. As we check the GE purchase of all these, I purchased 1,000 combined at about 6.25 million GP. It's and we're gonna make some juicy profits out of these. The thing is, you can purchase these at a total of 50 in every 4 hours. So I did purchase this over a couple days, about a day and a half. So you know, I made it happen. I couldn't play RuneScape, so I made some money on the side. I'm like, hey, let's put these GE offers in. Over a couple days, they'll come back. Check this out. We bought 1,000. Once you purchase the 1,000, it's time to open them up and we can make some juicy profit. This is a good money maker because you can do it on the side, so you could be out doing Slayer and stuff. But you can be doing Slayer, killing anything, going out doing skills, this and that. But you'll be making extra money on the side. Say you're using a skill that costs money, you can be making a break-even profit. You could be breaking even on this, just doing moles, skins, and mole claws. The best teleport I like to get on out there is probably going to be the easiest teleport for about everyone's going to be using the Ring of Wealth, because it's readily available on the GE. You can purchase one for like 12k. If you don't have 12k, then wow, I don't know why you're watching this video. Maybe you're trying to make some money. Teleport out to Falador. You're going to have to look for the man named Wyson out there. Don't talk to any of these gardeners, and don't do it. Trust me, they're not good guys. You gotta find Wyson, this guy out here in his random clothes, carrying a spade around like he's Mr. Head Honcho guy out here. You're like, hey, man, can I get the mole parts? He's like, yeah, man, I'll trade you your mole parts. Right back to the G we go. Probably the pretty bad place to open up all these skins and claws. I would, ooh, cape on the ground, check that out. I would prefer a, like a one click chest. Maybe like the basement of the Lumbridge dungeon. Is that a dungeon? Lumbridge Castle? The maybe Castle Wars, probably the easiest teleport. You grab yourself a Ring of Dueling, Castle Wars, one-click chest. The thing is, I'm going to be opening these up at I did about 17 per inventory and just deposited my entire inventory. After I did that, I did 14 to start it off. Wasn't the best, but I did cut out a decent bit of me opening up all these birds' nests, because I don't think you want to watch all that. It took me about 10 to 20 minutes to open them up, all these birds' nests. The thing is, why I like these, you're looking at you lose about 1,000 GP every bird's nest. You pull out garbage, say you pull out an acorn, you lose about 1,000 GP. But check this out, so you pull out a magic tree seed or the new dragon fruit tree seed, you're looking at 195k profit on just one bird's nest. You're talking about profiting on 195 bird's nests, just opening up one of them. The odds of you getting a multiple of those is quite high. I believe I did get 4 or 5 magic tree seeds and dragon fruit tree seeds combined, so it was a juicy profit, and I believe I could have done a lot better. The reason why I do like this, it is all RNG based, but if you buy enough of them, you're always going to make a profit. Check that snapdragon seed. There's quite the like just a snapdragon seed, you already profit on 50. It's so easy to make an insane profit on these. Like, this is why I like the moneymaker. I'm going to keep opening all these up real quick. They got all the willow tree seeds, strawberry, like limpert, all this and that kind of garbage seeds. But, you know, we're stacking up all the fire seeds in here as well. But I'm going to give it a little bit of cutout action. I'm going to open up all these seeds, all the seeds nests for you. And I'm going to come right back at you. And we have opened the 750 skins. 750 skins, I don't know what I'm talking about. We open up the 750 nests with the seeds in them. We do have the lootations in the inventory. As you do check, you do see 2 magic tree seeds, 3 dragon fruit tree seeds, a total of 800 nests, which comes out to be the 50 empties. In all of these, we do still have 200 nests with rings in them, and we're going to start selling it off to get a good view of the profit, sell the bird's nest. I am selling these 5 under for a lot of these, because I really don't, like, I know I'm going to make absolute bank for you tree seeds. I'm selling most of these all 5 under, just trying to sell them off quick. If you let them sit in the GE for a little bit longer, you can make quite a good deal more profit. But I'm not even wasting time. Maple tree seeds, I do not care. I have 9 maple tree seeds, 289k. Sell those off 500. I do not care. We're already looking at the inventory, 3.8 mil. And look at all the seeds I still got in my inventory. Oh my god. We're checking this on out. Sell these all off. Let's see what we got going on. Magic receipts 265k worth them. Goodbye. Straight to the GE. We go mahogany. That is a lot of mahogany. Checking this out. U-Tree seats 281k 500. Goodbye. Mahogany. I feel like I had a hard time selling these. I probably put these down a lot. Strawberry tree seats. I do not care. Put those in at 2GP. Get rid of those. Eggcorns. We have 84 eggcorns. Oh my gosh. These on off Renard seeds, check that out. Quite a good deal of profit, 5.1 mil already, and look at all those seeds we still got left. Willows, goodbye. Dragon fruit, 580k. Could you imagine getting 10 of those? My gosh, the GP profits on there would be absolutely insane. I believe my RNG was a little bit lower on this because it is all loot RNG based, because you could pull 10 dragon fruit tree seeds in a row if your RNG was on fire. Sell a Torstal 270k worth of Torstal. Goodbye. Straight to the GE. Pineapple, I don't care. Get that out of my face. Mahogany, I'm gonna put these down like 500. I don't care. Still not selling. You gotta be kidding me. Take this on out. Here we go. I will put those down beyond belief. Here we go. 15k watermelon. Goodbye. Selling off all these seeds. I don't care. Limpert. Goodbye. Get all those. 6 mil 80k GP. And we still have, remember, we still do have 200 nests with rings in them that we have not sold. Snapdragon, 400k of Snapdragon. Oh my, mahogany, just get out of here. Put those down so much. I don't care. We're about to break into the profit range right here, and we still have 200 nests with rings in them. The profit we're gonna make today is insane. Selling everything 10-20% under GE value, just opening up 1,000 and having bad RNG because I do this a lot. I've had a lot of other times where I've been like, wow, check that out, 6.7 mil. We still have 200 nests with rings in them, and we're already up around 500k GP. And I'm going to get right back into it, open up all these rings. I'm going to give it a little cutout, and I'll be right on back at you. As we traverse into the final portion of this video, it's going to be, I just opened up the 200 nests with just rings in them that sell off the 200. 900k right there, guys. 900k. Sell off all these rings. You get emerald, diamond, ruby, sapphire rings. You can sell all these off real quick. This was a total of 1,000. Let's see if we can profit an extra mil off of this. Can we? I do see there's probably some decent potential. We might break a mil on this. 31k. It's going to be very, 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 very close. Let's see what we can go do. Going to be a little shy of it. We can sell this on off. Let's turn the rest on over to platinum. As we check this out, we spent a total of $6.25 million on this, about 6.25 million. It took me about 15 minutes to do this, and we made 1.5 mil off of this. In all of our spare time, I haven't even played in 2 days, and we logged right back in and made 1.5 mil in a matter of 15 minutes. Just imagine if you bought 10,000 of these. We're talking about 15 mil in like an hour. This is an insane moneymaker that I thought I'd share with you guys. It's absolutely wild. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you get on out there, maybe buy some mole skins, maybe buy some mole claws, maybe go to kill the giant mole, because there's absolute bank to be made here. You don't even have to play the game. You take a couple days off. This is what you got to do. Put on a GE offer, maybe buy them on World 2. But thanks again. I really enjoy it.